Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun magic numbers card. It looks like a regular piece of paper, but when you open it, you'll see the numbers 1, 2 and 3. If we close it and go to the other side, we can see the numbers 2, 3 and 4. If we go back to the front side, now we see 1, 4 and 3. And if we flip it one more time, we see the numbers 2, 1 and 4. Isn't that cool? I'll show you how to make this paper card step by step. You only need a square sheet of paper in any size you like. The first step is to fold the paper in half. Then unfold it and fold both sides to the middle. Then fold both sides to the middle again. And then unfold everything. Fold the paper in half horizontally. Then unfold it and fold the bottom and top to the middle. Now fold the bottom half up. As you can see, the paper is divided into 8 sections. We are going to make 2 new diagonal folds in these sections here. We can start folding the right side. And then do the same on the left side. Then we unfold both. Pay attention to the next step. Using the diagonal lines we made as a reference, we are going to open the right side and then reverse this part up. Then we do the same on the left side. With that done, fold half of the right side back and then fold half of the left side over it. With this ready, we can write the numbers on this side. Once that's done, fold the number 3 over the number 2 and then fold the number 1. Let's go to the other side. we will see that we already have the 2, 3, and an empty space. We can put the number 4 in that space. Then fold first number 2, and then number 4. Back on the front side, we'll see the numbers we made earlier, 1, 2, and 3. But this is where the trick begins. The number we fold first, the number we fold to the middle, will always be the number that ends up in the middle of the other side. As an example, I'll fold number 1 first, and when we go to the other side, number 1 will be in the middle. If we fold number 2 first, it goes back to how it was before, but if we fold number 4, on the other side, we'll have the sequence 1, 4, and 3. And that's the logic. The number we fold to the middle first will always be the one that ends up in the middle of the other side. It's very simple and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.